if you're looking to get into 3D printing, this is the way to do it. Anycube recently came out with their Kobra 3 V2, and it's truly next level. It has all the quality you'd expect from an Anycube: active filament drying, improved auto leveling, and up to a 600 millimeters per second print speed, but you can also print in up to 8 colors. So if you're looking to get into 3D printing or you're wanting to upgrade your current setup, you might want to consider the Kobra 3 V2. All right, so let's get into specs, but before we do, real quick disclosure, this isn't a review of the Kobra, this is a sponsored video by Anycube. All right, with that out of the way, let's get into it. I think we should start with the biggest improvements from the Kobra 3. Number one, the new nozzle is straight from the more expensive bigger brother, Kobra S1, which significantly reduces material leakage during printing. It also has an improved print space, coming in at 255 by 255 by 260 millimeters, so you can print larger projects than before. One of my favorite features is that it also now comes standard with a 720p camera, which you can use to stream your print, and that way you can see in real time exactly how the print is going without having to go and physically check up on it, which is awesome for larger or more complicated prints. And if you want, you can easily share a time lapse of your printing process. And that camera also allows the use of AI monitoring, which ensures your prints stay on track, avoiding any spaghetti mishaps. Basically, the Anycube uses that camera and the AI monitoring software to make sure the print is going according to plan, and if it's not, it pumps the brakes so that you don't have to come back to a blown up Italian pasta factory. And if your printer was to lose power or run out of filament or whatever during your print, it also has a seamless resume print feature, so you're safe there too. It's these quality of life features that make more of a difference than you would expect in the actual using of the printer. But let's talk about being able to print in up to 8 different colors, because that is such a cool feature that you don't usually see at this price point. And it's not just for looks, it can be genuinely useful. You can print different parts in different colors, for example, to make it easier to see exactly what's going on with your print. And like I said, the Kobra 3 V2 can print fast. While it defaults to 300 millimeters per second, you can bump that up to a maximum of 600 millimeters per second, which is crazy fast. For example, it can complete Benchy in 11 minutes and 30 seconds. Compare that to something like the Bamboo Lab A1, which was lauded for its speed and came in at 13 minutes. All this to say, this printer is quick, which means you can go from idea to reality in less time than ever. And it's not just fast, it also has a fully automatic all filament extrusion calibration. By monitoring real-time changes in extrusion volume, temperature, and speed through the pressure sensor in the extruder to achieve fully automated extrusion calibration. This eliminates manual filament type matching, delivering flawless, seamless transitions and perfect layers in every print. It's a huge quality of life improvement versus other printers in this category. And it also has one-click vibration compensation, which will eliminate common surface imperfections such as resonance lines. Now let's talk about the build quality of the printer itself. It has a precision-engineered bearing system featuring XY axis dual metal shafts paired with advanced SG15 bearings, delivering unparalleled smoothness and stability. The all-metal hot end features a quick-release design, accommodating nozzles of various diameters for versatile printing needs, while making maintenance simpler and more efficient. And its LeviQ 3.0 auto leveling mitigates the need for Z-axis offset. This technology delivers superior first layer adhesion and significantly higher print success rates. When it comes to software, you got a couple options. On the desktop, you have the Anycube Slicer Next, which is built on Orco, which is an open source software and specifically tuned for Anycube printers. It comes with pre-configured print parameters for various specifications and materials, enabling one-click printer starts and remote control. But if you prefer using your phone, that's an option too with the Anycube app. You can even monitor your prints in real time on your phone, which is just so convenient. So look, the Anycube Kobra 3 V2 is an awesome printer, and if you're interested in checking it out, I'll leave a link down in the description below. And thanks again to Anycube for sponsoring this video. See ya.